Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WpA Hacking. This is my very first video on how to hack Wi-Fi using Linux operating system. Please watch this video till the end because this is a video on live. Yes, you are right. This is a 100% live Wi-Fi hacking tutorial. So be with me till the end. So here we are moving a real business. For this purpose I am using Wi-Fi Slax 4.12 final on my virtual machine today, whose link will be available on description below. First of all, I am going to check whether my external device is connected properly or not on virtual machine. So please let's check this out. This is a new terminal command. So type aircrack-ng. As you can see that I have external device which is connected to virtual machine whose name is AR9271. It is successfully connected. As you can see that. So then please watch all the steps very carefully, otherwise it will not work. And then we try another command. Let's see this. -ng check kill. It will kill all the process running behind this machine. It will make us to help in hacking Wi-Fi so smoothly. Then just close it and open a new terminal, and here we're gonna type aircrack-ng start WLAN 0. As you can see that monitor mode enable on mon 0 successfully. And just minimize this and just go to the setting, Wi-Fi Slax and WPA, and you can see that here link set equal to network. Just click on it and it's just opening. Be patient, it takes some time to open. Yes, this is open. Now just type 1 and press enter, and again enter, pressing by 1, and this will show all the network available nearby me. Let's scan this at least for 1 minute or more than 1 minute, and just type Ctrl C to stop the process. And here you can see that we have lots of Wi-Fi nearby us, but we will choose whose Wi-Fi is very nearby us, and we have sign like stars. As you can see that in number 24 stars, and it has very good strength of 33%. Let's get started. Then choose, type here 24 and type 1 again. Just press enter only and 1 and press enter. Again type 1 and press enter. As you can see that this is scanning. Here we can all see that WPA handshake is successfully available. So again press 1 and 1 again and 1 again, choose English. As the process is running, you can see that this will take only 3 or 4 minutes to hack a Wi-Fi so easily. This method is very easy and successful since I am using this for 2 or 3 years consistently, and this never failed me. Yes, so you can see that 2 clients are maybe connected here. After a minute, 2 minutes, I will get a key. Since this is our live Wi-Fi hacking, I am not making fool any others. This is a very real hacking. So wait and see. Just a minute. Please wait. Actually, this is working. Yes, you can see that we have a key for this network. So we success. So please subscribe and like my videos. This is only my part 1 video. I am going to upload lots of videos like this. Please be connected with us. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel again.